How to become an affiliate with Temu. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're going to find the search box. Type in Temu affiliate program and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, affiliate program, open it. With that you will be directed to this kind of web page. Now here you're going to find this option of get started. Click on it. You will land to the login page. Now here you have to provide the Temu account's credentials to login. Type in the email or phone number, or also you can continue using Google, Facebook or Apple ID. Once logged in, you will have access to your affiliate dashboard where your future commissions will be displayed. Click join now to get your exclusive code and link. Copy your exclusive code or link and start spreading the word by posting content on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube or Facebook. Talking about the benefits you can enjoy with the Temu affiliate program, you can earn up to 20% commission on each new user's order referred through you. Receive a $5 reward for each new user's download. Offer your referees a 30% discount. The potential to earn up to $5,000 a month in commission. Well, this is how you can easily become an affiliate with Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.